What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing video. Well, I say another, previous one was latest pickups, but this is an unboxing, another pair that's just come through the door, and we're going to check them out together. Let's do it. Okay, so here we have the package in front of me. Now this is a very special pair that released recently, of course. One that I was very excited about. It follows in a trend of shoes that I'm liking very much at the moment. Not a specific brand or style or anything like that, but I suppose a certain culture, you could call it. But yeah, we'll check it out now. I don't need knives or scissors or anything like that, because I think I could just rip straight into it. So yeah, let's get into it. Bang. Right, here we go. Now the box is going to be partly a dead giveaway of where I got it from immediately. There we go. So I want it from End. Shout out to End, thank you very much, guys. A lot of you will know End, of course. It's a very popular shop based in London, Newcastle. You don't tend to win too often from End. It's a very hard store to win from, I suppose. I've entered for a number of years now, and this is only my second ever win from them. So yeah, that gives you an idea of how hard it is to win. This is a pair I'm very, very happy that I was able to win in my size as well. So yeah, let's open the box and check out what they are. Right, so right, where are we going from? We're going from here, I suppose. I've had a few of these End boxes, like I say, well, two. This is only my second one, but here we go. Bang. Open up the box, you just get your receipt in there. Nice little touch. And then the box itself, and you can probably see Ambush. Yes, this is a pair of Nike and Ambush Dunk Highs in the royal blue colorway that recently came out. Yeah, this is a very sick pair. The box itself is very, very cool. It's a little bit of a mark there, but doesn't matter. There you go, Nike Ambush Dunk High UK 8. Very, very sick. The box is a really cool touch. You obviously got your Nike sort of silky smooth logo on top, and then on the side you've got that Ambush spell out in bold white writing. Very sick box. Let's go ahead and check out what we've got inside. So another pull tab box. You get a nice sort of white and black paper. You get a black swoosh, and then you get the black Ambush spell out as opposed to the white spell out on the box. I'm just going to pull this all the way out, this is easier. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Wow, bloody hell. Whee! These are nice. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, so diving straight into it. You got your black laces, you get a second pair of white and a third pair of blue laces. It's a standard sort of blue, royal blue colorway with white, and then you get an ivory midsole, so it's like a cream off-white color. These laces are unraveling, which is slightly annoying. As many of you will know, the significant feature of the Ambush Dunks is not only this heel tab here, which sticks out a little bit, you'll be able to see on the camera there, but also this elongated swoosh. Now this is designed off a motorbike in Japan. The extended exhaust you get on the side of motorbikes, that's where that inspiration comes from. Very, very cool design. If you didn't know what I was saying at the start, Japanese culture is something I'm really into, and Japanese fashion is something I really like at the moment. I recently was able to win a pair of the Sakai's, an old pair back in December that was mentioned in my last video from Foot Patrol. It was like a bonus raffle win. And these are also Japanese. Ambush is a Japanese brand. They've collabed with Nike. This is the third collaboration they've done on the Dunk High. The first one was that black and white colorway. Second was that all pink fuchsia, and this is the third in the royal blue colorway. It's a very cool touch having those swooshes extended on the end there, reminiscent of a motorbike exhaust. I really, really like it. On the tongue, you do just get your standard tongue tag with an Ambush logo. There are a lot of fake pictures going around of fake tongue tags. Now this tongue tag obviously is blue with white spell out and a white swoosh. The fake ones I think were white with a black spell out and black swoosh. People didn't realise that at first until Yoon, the owner of Ambush, came out and said this is actually a fake pair, the one with the black tongue tag. You have the exposed foam on top of the tongue as well. You should be able to see that just like that. But yeah, this is a very, very cool pair, and one I'm very, very happy with. I think I'll probably keep the black laces in these. Yeah, that extended heel tab that I mentioned gives similarities to the Sakai's. Obviously the Sakai Vapor Waffles has that massively overextended triple down heel. Same with the LD waffles, they've got that sticking out part of the heel as well. And this is a slight nod to that, I suppose, with this sticking out on the back. A very, very, very cool pair, and I'm super, super happy to own this. So that is pretty much going to cover this unboxing today, a very short video. Let me know what you've picked up recently. We've got the P-Rod Dunks coming out soon. I'm not too much of a fan of those, but I know a lot of people are after those. The Amamania 3s that are coming out soon as well. Let me know what you're going for, what you've picked up. I'll see you very soon. Take care and goodbye.